Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add a storage charges and a warehouse in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the master module. Here, we have to select the organization menu under the master module. In the organization list page, we have to select the organization name. Then we have to click the submit button. Now, we have to click the edit button on the respective organization. On this organization details page, we have to click the standard charges tab. Then we have to click the add button. On this costing page, we have to select the department as warehouse. And also we have to select the charge and unit. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the save and close button. Now the standard storage charges updated in the respective organization. Then go to the warehouse module. Here we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. On this page, we have to select the storage job list. On the storage job list page, we have to click the create button. In the storage invoice report page, we have to select the client and warehouse. Then the standard storage charges will be shown amount CBM day while we create a monthly storage invoice report under storage job list. This is how to add a storage charges under warehouse and Fresa application. Thanks for watching.